The 2020 Kona EV. The Hyundai Kona EV offers a wide variety of safety and driver assistance features. However, the driving range and the charging capabilities are what really make this electric vehicle stand out, and is priced below $40,000. This vehicle has less than 300 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, alloy wheels, brake assist, traction control, remote keyless entry, four-wheel disc brakes, front-wheel independent suspension, power moonroof, rain-sensing wipers, speed control. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.